I just purchased the Google Nest Thermostat package from Home Depot. I want to share with you what's inside looks like.
So here is a package. You can see the thermostat and the two sensors as shown in the package. This is the back of the package. So now we will open it. So this is sensor boxes. And this is the thermostat. So let's open the sensors first. Okay, this is a sensor. We've got a screw for installation, some marking stuff, and that's it. So I won't bother you with opening another one. Let's take a look at the thermostat itself. Okay, you can see the thermostat. Instructions. Screwdriver. Screws. Back plate, which for all the wire connections. And there's one which, if you have a bigger old thermostat, this is used to hide the artifacts on the wall. There's some bracket. And that is all.
In the next video, I will show you how to replace the old thermostat with a new one.